Hello, Daisies, and welcome back. My name is NY, and today I'll be doing the voiceover for Daisy's makeup tutorial. So, fair warning, I am not makeup savvy, so forgive me if I don't use the regular terminologies you guys are used to. Alright, so quickly, she's working on her eyebrows, trying to define them with her paintbrush or of some sort. Now she has some kind of eyelid cream or something. Just using the whole eyelid powder. Okay, I think she's merging different colors to work on the eyelids right now. And yep, she's doing that. The first one was brown, this is black, I guess. What was that? I think she got something in her eye. Sorry about that. And yeah, she's working on it. You know what you signed up for, Daisy. So yeah, she's working on her eyebrows. There is white, yellow, there is yellow, and she's still working on her eyelids. Trying to, I think, oh, she got some on her face, unfortunately. Occupational hazards, I think this happens all the time. So she's working on that. I think most people that I've seen with this makeup are people that are performing on stage, so that you can know what is actually happening from afar, get a grasp of their look. So yeah. Those of you who are new to this channel, she has a full video of how to do good eyebrows or great eyebrows. She's gonna post it up there, a quick tip, so you can check that out later. So yes, okay, these are her rainbow eyebrows or eyelids or eyes, and now she's working on her face with some things that she put on her face, like some chicken pox. Yeah, so she's brushing her face with the bigger brush. And oh, I think I know this one. I think this is the concealer. Sheldon from Big Bang Theory would say concealing means lying. So Daisy is lying to her face with this concealer, and it's really brown, really wet. For Daisy there, she the feeling body also. Oh yeah, no, chichis kakrebi, you understand. But yeah, so she's working on that one. I've never seen anyone do this Shaka Zulu looking kind of thing that she's doing to her face. I've never seen anyone doing it. I have no idea what it is. I don't know if it's to mark or whatever. And now she's putting some on her nose. And why do you guys always put it on your forehead and on your nose and on your chin? Okay, so she put it there to dab so that it mixes or something. Maybe that's a technique, I don't know. Daisy, it would have been better if you did this to yourself, but anyway, so she's dabbing with a pointed foam, round pointed foam. You girls have equipment or tools. Let me say tools. And she's underlining her cheeks with some brush with some ink. She's defining her cheeks, and she's making her nose stand out. If your nose is big like mine, yeah, you wouldn't want it to stand out, but because she has a cute nose, look at what she's doing. So yeah, she's putting some brush or whatever of some powder. Yeah, I think this is the powder. She's putting some powder and she's brushing, trying to get it everywhere. Yeah, you're feeling, baby. Hey, you're feeling, buddy. See ya. So she's still doing that. Still, trying to get it even so that you can see her cheeks as well. Yeah, see ya. Oh, this girl, they're feeling, buddy. Too much. Focus, Daisy. Focus. Yes. Put that pointed foam thing everywhere. Doing it under the nose. So she highlighted her nose. Or she's marking or defining her nose and her cheeks. This looks like a lot of work. You girls go through a lot to put some makeup on your face for every program you guys attend and everything. And funny enough, she doesn't do this professionally, but looks like she's really, really good at what she's doing, and it's quite impressive anyway. So there are a lot of brushes. My sister does makeup professionally, and you go to the house and there's so many brushes everywhere. Makeup everywhere. But yeah, we cannot judge her by that. It's part of the job. I wonder if her room is such a mess, like, well, with makeup stuff everywhere. Yeah, so back to it. She is still brushing with the brush and getting the whole makeup thing everywhere on the forehead. You missed the spot. Yeah, she's getting it everywhere. And on her neck. You guys make up your neck as well? Today I'm learning a lot. You make up your face and your neck. Hey, give them. Hey, hey. All right, and she's still doing that. I think that's a blush. I think she's using to create an artificial blush. Yeah, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. If I'm right, subscribe to this channel. If I'm wrong, subscribe anyway. You've been here this far. What are you waiting for? And this looks like it's shining, so I think this is to highlight her cheeks and her chin and her forehead. So I guess the key points are your forehead and the line in between that to your nose, your chin and your cheeks. So I think she works on those parts more. And then she's working on her, I think this is the eyeliner, this black thing. She's using, oh, now she's back to the lips real quick. Okay, so she's working on the lips now. I know you girls use lip gloss, so I'm guessing this is the last part. She's just gonna use this lip gloss and that's it. Nope, I was wrong. She's using 2 lip glosses and that's it. So I'm guessing we're done with, oh, nope, she's using 3 lip glosses. She's using 3 lip glosses and that's it. I'm guessing that's the end of the video. Guessing we're done now. Oh my goodness. So yeah, she looks great. She looks great, even though she doesn't do this. Oh, she was not done. 4 lip glosses. 4. And she also has a video about, making your lips pop. She's gonna put it up there. Go check it out if you haven't. And let's proceed. I hope this is it, Daisy. I hope this is the last lip gloss you're using. Great, that's it. I was right. The last lip gloss. Is she gonna make up her hair as well? No. Oh, so that's the final touch. Oh, she looks good. She put a black spot on top of her upper lip. I think that's incredibly attractive way to look. And she looks great. Let your hair down. Try and let your hair down a little bit. All right, she looks beautiful. And for staying here this long, you should definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't. She looks fabulous. Don't forget my name is NY. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.